Hi guys, and welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. No, this is new place, new J. Right guys, we got a problem with this one. What's happening, right? The pilot light's on. The pilot light's on then. Yeah. Yes. Just got. So the first thing we checked is the programmer. That's sending a demand. And then the pump, that's the pump there, the big baby. That's running fine. It is going around. So the next thing we're going to check is the continuity on the room thermostat. What are we doing here? Help me out.
240 watts?
Right, so after checking the room thermostat was fine, there was continuity in it. But the fault was here on this thermostat, boiler thermostat. It tripped the overheat, so all I had to do is reset it. Okay, we got it going. Okay, one more. It's working out. Okay. After thorough testing, it's working fine now. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.